Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to derive an expression for energy stored in a capacitor. First of all, consider this equation Q is equal to CV. This says that charge stored in a capacitor is equal to capacity of that capacitance multiplied by voltage of that capacitor. Take down it as equation 1. Now, we also know that V is equal to dW by dQ. From this equation, we can write it as dW is equal to V into dQ. Take down this equation as equation 2. Now, from equation 1, we can write value of V as V is equal to Q by C. Substitute V value in equation 2. So, dW is equal to Q by C into dQ. Apply integration on both sides with the limits 0 to Q. So, integration 0 to Q dW is equal to 1 by C integration 0 to Q dQ. Here, capacitance is constant, so I have taken this out from integration. Now, integration 0 to Q dW value is W. So, W is equal to 1 by C Q square by 2 with limits Q to 0. Now, W is equal to 1 by 2C Q square. Now, from the equation 1, substitute Q value in this equation. So, W is equal to 1 by 2C into CV whole square. After further simplifying this equation, we can get the value of W is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. So, this is the expression for energy stored in a capacitor.